The fear of Hashem is determined by wearing a kippah and showing the whole world that I'm Jewish. Yes, according to the Gemara, Masechet Shabbat, the fear of Hashem is symbolized by your kippah. It's not necessarily just because you have a kippah doesn't mean you fear Hashem, but it's symbolized by it. Just like if somebody walks around with a lehavdil, a cross on their neck, or they're tattooed across, then they're symbolizing that they're not Jewish. They're symbolizing that they're representing Christianity. They believe in Yoshke. Somebody walks around with the garments or the traditions, cultures of Islam. You know that's what they are. A kippah is symbolic of Judaism, but not just Judaism in general. Rather, the Gemara says the kippah is supposed to cover your entire head because, in essence, you're saying that you know that Hashem is everywhere. Hashem is everywhere. He's overseeing everything. The more of your head that it covers, the more you're fulfilling the actual halacha. And because you're, in essence, saying that Hashem is omnipresent. Omnipresent.